Every single day, you make money decisions without even realizing it. Not big, dramatic choices, small ones. What you spend without thinking. What you ignore. What you delay. These tiny decisions feel harmless in the moment, but over time, they quietly shape your entire future. Two people can earn the same income, live in the same city, and work just as hard, yet end up in completely different financial realities. The difference isn't luck, it's daily money habits. Before we go any further, if you want to build daily money habits that actually improve your future instead of quietly hurting it, make sure you subscribe to Learn Finance Daily. This channel exists to teach you the money skills school never taught you clearly, practically, and without pressure. Subscribe now, because what you do daily with money matters more than any single big decision. Most people think financial success comes from rare moments, a big raise, a great investment, a lucky opportunity. But in reality, money is shaped in ordinary moments. What you do when no one is watching. What you repeat when you're tired. What feels too small to matter. That's where futures are built or broken. One of the most important daily habits is awareness. Knowing where your money goes is not about restriction, it's about clarity. When you're unaware, money controls you. When you're aware, you control money. Even a few minutes a day thinking about your spending patterns can completely change outcomes over time. Another powerful habit is deciding before spending. Most people spend first and think later. Future-focused people think first and spend with intention. Asking one simple question, is this supporting my future or just my mood, can stop thousands of dollars from disappearing over the years. Paying yourself first is another habit that decides your future. When savings and investing happen automatically before spending, progress becomes inevitable. When saving is optional, it rarely happens. The amount matters less than the consistency. Small daily progress compounds into massive change. Tracking expenses, even lightly, is a habit that builds control. You don't need to record every detail forever. You need awareness long enough to spot patterns. Patterns reveal leaks. Leaks quietly decide futures. Another habit that shapes your future is how you handle small money decisions. Small purchases don't feel important, which is why they repeat easily. But money doesn't disappear in big moments, it disappears in small ones. Paying attention to small habits has a bigger impact than obsessing over big ones. How you react to stress also matters. Emotional spending is one of the most powerful habits deciding financial outcomes. When stress triggers spending, money becomes a coping tool instead of a growth tool. Learning to pause before spending is a future-changing habit. Avoiding debt is another daily decision. Debt often feels normal, manageable, and harmless. But each swipe or installment takes a piece of your future income. Choosing discomfort today instead of debt tomorrow keeps options open later. Another important habit is reviewing subscriptions and recurring payments. These expenses leave quietly and are easy to forget. Checking them regularly can free up more money than you expect without changing your lifestyle. Your relationship with time also matters. People who delay financial habits always feel behind. People who start small early feel calm later. Time rewards consistency, not intensity. Learning something about money regularly is another daily habit that shapes your future. Even 5 minutes a day reading or watching content improves decision-making. Financial ignorance is expensive. Financial literacy compounds. Another habit is building buffers before upgrading. Lifestyle. When income increases, future-focused people first buy safety, not comfort. Buffers create calm. Calm improves every financial decision. Separating your money is also powerful. When spending money and future money are mixed together, the future gets spent accidentally. Clear separation creates protection without effort. Your mindset toward money decisions matters too. People who build strong futures don't aim to be perfect. They aim to be consistent. Progress beats perfection every time. Comparing yourself to others is a habit that quietly destroys progress. Social media shows spending, not savings. Chasing appearances delays stability. Quiet progress wins long term. Another daily habit is reviewing your goals. When goals are clear, Spending decisions become easier. When goals are vague, money drifts. Drifting money decides futures poorly. Learning to say no to small, frequent temptations is more powerful than saying no to rare big ones. Discipline is built daily, not occasionally. Forgiving yourself for past money mistakes is also important. Shame creates avoidance. Avoidance creates stagnation. Learning creates movement. Another overlooked habit is asking better questions. Not can I afford this, but what am I giving up if I buy this? Every decision has a trade-off. Daily money habits don't feel exciting. They feel boring. But boring habits create extraordinary results over time. You don't need to be rich to build a strong future. You need repeatable habits that protect and grow what you have. The future isn't decided by one big moment. It's decided by today and tomorrow and the day after. If you change nothing, your future will look like your present. If you change small habits, your future will look completely different. The best time to build strong money habits was years ago. The second best time is today. If you want to keep learning daily money habits that create stability, reduce stress, and build real financial confidence over time, make sure you're subscribed to Learn Finance Daily. This channel exists to help you turn small daily actions into a strong financial future. What you do with money today decides your tomorrow, and now you're choosing differently.